Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am back showing you guys another quick and easy recipe. Today we're making this absolutely flavorful baked chicken over rice. This recipe is the type of recipe you put everything together and just bake it. Super simple, very easy. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. Be sure to subscribe, also hit the bell. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 2,000 likes because I know you guys can do it. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. They will be listed down below, so please check that out. I am using 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon Creole seasoning, 5 bone-in chicken thighs, and also we have some chopped onions and bell peppers, 2 tablespoons, 2 cups of jasmine rice, 1.5 cup of chicken broth. We have mustard, yes, you heard me, mustard. And for the seasoning, I have onion powder, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, Old Bay, some salt, ground black pepper, parsley, and thyme. Yes, shall we begin? Let's continue. So to get started, I am going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil to my chicken. Next, I am going to be seasoning the chicken. These are the seasoning like I told you guys before. Onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, thyme, salt, ground black pepper, as well as some Old Bay and chicken bouillon. So I am going to rub the seasoning on the chicken just like so. Once I'm done, I am going to add the mustard. Yes, you heard me, mustard. Don't be alarmed. The mustard will make the chicken come out so juicy and it will add a nice distinct flavor to the chicken. So don't worry. You might have to add less if you're not really a big fan of mustard, but I think I'd added enough, okay? So I'm going to rub that in just like that. Once I'm done, I am going to cover this, allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes before I begin cooking this. All right, now that my 30 minutes is up, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to a cast iron. Once that is nice and hot, I am going to place my chicken thighs on their skin down because we want a nice beautiful color on the chicken. We want to sear it before we bake it. Now, once one side is nice and golden brown, I am going to flip it over. It shouldn't take long for one side to be nice and golden brown, probably 2 minutes on medium-high heat. You're not cooking it, like I said, you're just searing it for a beautiful color. So I am going to flip it over. Once that other side is nice and golden brown, I am going to remove it and start cooking my veggies. Now to the same skillet, I am going to be adding in the onions and the bell peppers. I am going to sear those for about 1 to 2 minutes until the onions are nice and translucent. Now that my veggies are nice and soft, I am going to wash or rinse my rice and I am going to place them in there. Now keep in mind, this is raw rice. It's not cooked, it's not pre-cooked, it's raw. Okay, we're going to cook, well, not cook, we're going to fry the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you're going to help the rice cook faster by frying the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes, and next we'll add the water. Now I'm looking for a nice zesty flavor in this dish. I am going to squeeze about half a lemon juice in there. Once I am done, I am going to be adding my Creole seasoning in there as well. No need to add salt or anything else, or if you don't have Creole seasoning, you can add salt and pepper, but I added the Creole seasoning. Give it a stir. You don't need to add anything else because the flavor, the juice from the chicken, the rice will soak all that in. So you're going to pour in your chicken broth, which has tons of flavor, and you're going to place your chicken thighs right on there, just like so. When I tell you the rice will soak all of the juice from the chicken, just trust and believe, okay? Now here's what I'm going to do. I am going to cover this, then bake it. Okay, I am going to bake it on 375 for about 40 to 50 minutes. And you guys, once it comes out, like the smell alone will make you want to eat this right away. The flavor is just another thing. Okay, so I'm going to remove the chicken, and don't worry, the rice is nice and fluffy. Okay, it's nice and fluffy and super duper flavorful. And if you never make anything like this, take my words for it and make it happen. Very easy, chicken and rice in the oven. Let's give this a try. Oh my God. Wow. The chicken is very flavorful and super juicy. You guys have to actually try this to know what I'm talking about. But thank you so much for watching today's recipe. Be sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.